This is Robert, owner of Eclipse Window Tinting. Today I'm going to be showing you the install process on a 2009 Hyundai Sonata rear window. The tools we're going to be using today is a Clear Max, a side swiper, and a little foot. And the solution here in our bottle is just water and baby shampoo. The first thing you're going to do is wet down the window. You're going to use the scrubby pad and just scrub over it. This helps loosen up any dirt, debris, anything that might be on the windows. Once you're done that, we're going to take the Clear Max, push from the center out, and this is pushing any dirt or debris off of the window back into the edges. You're going to take the side swiper, get the bottom edge, and the little foot to push down around and behind the brake light. After you've done that, you're going to re-wet the window. Making sure you spray a little extra down behind the brake light. You're going to get out, spray off your hands, get any dirt or debris off of those before you touch the film. You're going to pick up on both corners of the film, puff a little air under it so that way it doesn't touch the vehicle on the way out. You put the corner of the film in your mouth in order to rotate the film so that way we have it the same way as the back window is going to be. Then you Frankenstein the film, so where you put your arm straight out and cuff underneath of it in order to make a U shape in order to take it into the vehicle. And you're going to reach down as close as you can to the bottom of the window before you actually let the film touch. Then you're going to slide it down into place. And the quicker you can do this process, as far as getting it laid on the window, the better it's going to be. The film, you are able to slide the film around once you first lay it on. What I'm doing now is getting to the outside and looking and making sure that my brake light is lined up. As you can see, it's a little bit too far off to the side. As you can see where the curve comes down. So then I'm going to get back inside and I'm still actually able to slide it from side to side because of how fast I laid it onto the window. You're going to get out one more time and just double check that's lined up really good, and then it's ready to be squeegeed into place. Once again, you're going to spray the inside. You're going to start with the center and push outways. Same center out the other direction. You're going to go over the film one more time with the Clear Max, making sure you're overlapping each stroke. You're going to use the side swiper to get the bottom edge. And the little foot to push down around the brake. And and the far bottom edge if there's something that the side swiper is not reaching properly. Okay, once you've done that, lightly mist the outside. You're going to dry off the inside. Do a light rub over the inside of the film so that way any water streaks or squeegee marks are off the film, so that way the customer has clear visibility once they leave. You're going to wipe off the outside. And this is the rear window install procedure for a 2009 Hyundai Sonata. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.